In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to post to Facebook using n8n with AI automation on desktop. We'll build a simple flow that lets n8n generate a Facebook post using AI and publish it to your page. Open your n8n desktop app and log into your n8n dashboard. This is your command center where every workflow starts. In the left sidebar, click Personal to access your personal workspace. From here, click Create Workflow to open a fresh canvas where we'll assemble the automation. On the canvas, click the plus button to add your first node. Search for Manual Trigger and select it. This trigger lets you run the workflow on demand while you're building and testing, which keeps things safe and predictable. Click the plus button again to add another node, then search for OpenAI and select it. You'll need to connect your AI account once. Click Create New Credential, paste your OpenAI API key, and click Save. Keep your key private and never share it in your workflow notes or screenshots. With the OpenAI node selected, set Resource to Chat and Operation to Create. In Messages, click Add Message. Set Role to User. In the Content field, type the Facebook post prompt you want AI to generate. Be specific about tone, audience, and length. For example, ask for a short, friendly update with a clear call to action and a couple of relevant hashtags. Clear prompts usually yield better results. Now, click the plus button to add another node and search for Facebook Graph API. Select it, then click Create New Credential and connect your Facebook account. Make sure the account has permission to post to the page you want to use. In this node, set Resource to Post and Operation to Create. In the Message field, click the Expression button. From the data picker, select the AI response coming from your OpenAI node, so the post text will be whatever the model generated. Using an expression here ensures your Facebook post dynamically uses the latest AI output each time the workflow runs. It's time to test. Click Execute Workflow. Watch the run to confirm each node completes successfully. Then, check your Facebook page and make sure the post appears as expected. Back in n8n, click Save in the top right corner so you don't lose your work. Finally, turn on the Active toggle to activate the workflow so it's ready whenever you want to run it. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.